Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're doing something a little different. We're making bear Oreo cookies from party pinching. This is a fun project to do with your kids or grandkids and will be sure to bring smiles to everyone who sees them. So let's get started. We're going to start off with an Oreo cookie and a mini vanilla wafer. Add a small amount of the chocolate frosting to the back of the vanilla wafer. Now place it on the Oreo towards the bottom. Press and hold a few seconds for it to stick. That will be the face. Here's a black jelly bean we'll use for the nose. Add some of the frosting to attach it. It doesn't take much. Place it towards the top of the vanilla wafer. Once again, press and hold. Here's an edible marker we'll use to draw the mouth on the vanilla wafer under the nose. Now we're going to use 2 brown M&Ms for the ears and attach them with more frosting. Hold in place. You can see it didn't stick too well. I should have refrigerated the frosting instead of using it at room temperature. I think that would have held better. I decided to start over with the ears. These are the candy eyes. Once again, add a tiny bit of frosting. These stick pretty well. Do a little touch up. And there you go. Okay, so this review is going to be short and sweet. These turned out really cute, and the only issue I had was with the frosting and the M&M ears. It was a very hot day when I filmed these cookies, and I used frosting that was at room temperature, which was a mistake. As I said in the video, I should have refrigerated the frosting first so it would firm up and make it easier to work with. That's what I'll do next time. These were a big hit with our grandsons and their friends, and they all love them. You can get creative with the edible marker and have fun drawing different smiles and quirky expressions. There was really no reason to do a taste test for these because it's more of a fun project than a recipe. But I did one anyway, mainly to show that everything on them is indeed edible. I started with the jelly bean nose. I used the Jelly Belly brand of jelly beans, and they are very good. By the way, everything I used for this project I got from Walmart, including the eyes and the edible markers. Next, I took a bite of the cookie, and obviously it was delicious and very sweet. Overall, these bear cookies were fun to make and turned out great. I give them 5 stars and recommend giving them a try. Everyone will love them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.